Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something a little different. We are exploring an upside down house. Get ready for a wild ride as we flip our perspective and see what it's like to live life on the ceiling. This is not the average house tour. We are going to experience a home where everything is well upside down. Let's drive in. Okay, we are inside and it's already different. The floor is
You
actually the
cannot play.
ceiling and the ceiling is the floor. Let's start in the main living area.
No, no, don't touch.
These little details are what make it so much fun. I'm already getting used to looking at things from this angle. Let's head upstairs, which is technically downstairs.
Wait.
We have got
You
bedrooms
go.
and kitchen
Let's go. Go, go,
all
go, go, go.
flipped around.
Yes.
Papa, you know what? We can play this. Look. Come. Look.
Wait, wait, wait. इधर आओ.
Now let's head into kitchen. Check out this kitchen cabinet. It's attached to the ceiling, which is our floor. And look at the refrigerator. It's really hanging above our heads. It's definitely a unique perspective. Look at this upside down coffee table and chair.
You just touch the. Wait, karo, wait. Asher, both.
Imagine trying to sleep in this bed. It's like sleeping on the
Yeah.
ceiling. I wonder if they use extra strong velcro for the pillows.
अच्छा इधर आ. वो जो फ्रिज रखा है ना उसको जाके होल्ड करो.
This AC works.
उधर आ. यस ऐसे नहीं अशर. ये वन बाय वन इधर हटो. यस. आलियन आगे से हटो.
It's a bit disorienting at first,
Aja.
but it's really fun and unique
आलियन
experience.
आओ उठाओ इसको.
It's definitely worth checking out if you
Aisa,
are
साथ
looking
में
for
से-
something different to do. It's a great place to get creative and have some fun with your friends.
यस. इधर आ जाओ.
Wait, no, what is
I wonder if they have to use special glue to keep everything stuck to the ceiling. Wow, this Pac-Man, it really reminds me of our childhood.
Actually, Asher, ये है कितने टाइम उसका? यस गुड. Be careful. और आगे भी हो सकते हैं. अशर इधर आओ, ऐसे खड़े हो. Yes. Wait. Yes. You are not allowed.
The best part about the upside down house is the photo opportunities. You can get some really cool and unique photos by taking pictures of yourself in the various rooms and then flipping them.
How does it go up? How do you open it? With this? Now you can. Imagine doing a backflip in here.
You are too little for this.
It's like fluff. You're gonna feel so dizzy once we get out. No, trust me, we're not gonna. It's actually crazy that these things work. Oh yeah, since you're tall enough, can you hit this black thing so it makes it smash one like these? It's broken. It's broken. It's broken.
It's not broken.
No, it's meant to do that.
Yes.
Oh, so sorry. Yeah, like that. Make it hard.
Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can see future notifications. Thank you for watching.